JCT coin from the Janction ecosystem is waking up again, now trading around $0.004 after pumping nearly 30% in the last 24 hours, and this sudden jump is catching a lot of attention across micro-cap communities. The move didn't come out of nowhere. JCT has been showing signs of renewed activity over the past few days, with rising volume, more chatter on X, and a noticeable increase in wallet activity. It looks like traders who were waiting silently on the sidelines have started rotating back in as the momentum turns bullish. The interesting thing with JCT right now is that it's trying to prove itself in a crowded small-cap market, but it's doing it with strong price action. After spending a long time consolidating in a heavy accumulation zone, the coin finally burst out with a clean surge. This kind of sudden breakout usually indicates a shift in sentiment. The holders are getting stronger, the sellers are drying up, and fresh liquidity is entering the ecosystem. Whenever you see this type of price behavior in a low-cap token, it signals that something bigger may be building beneath the surface. Over the last 24 hours, JCT caught extra attention because of discussions around upcoming ecosystem expansions. Moderators in the Janction community have been hinting about ongoing development updates and possible new integrations coming soon. Nothing official has been released yet, but even subtle hype around a microcap can be enough to trigger a strong bullish wave, and that's exactly what seems to be happening here. The social sentiment around JCT has flipped from quiet to optimistic, and the charts are starting to reflect that shift. Trading volume has also seen a noticeable jump, which is important because volume leads price. As the buy pressure increased, JCT pushed through a small resistance area that has been holding it down for days, and once that level broke, the candles became much stronger and more aggressive. This tells you that buyers are taking control. For the moment, the momentum is clean, steady, and backed by real trading activity, not just a random spike. At the current price of $0.004, JCT is sitting at a very interesting level. If the bulls manage to keep the price above this zone, the next leg up could come sooner than expected. Traders are already watching the $0.0055 to $0.0062 region as the next potential upside target. A breakout above that zone could push JCT towards $0.0075 and eventually test the major psychological level at 1 cent, a level many early holders have been waiting for.